No, it's ice. Yeah, that's so cool. Pressing forward, we're heading over to the helipad. I'll be honest with you, this is the first cruise that I've actually gotten to go to the helipad since years ago, back in 2000 when I took my very first cruise. So this is extremely excited. We are going to go ahead and see you there. Oh, this is so awesome. We're at the helipad. All right. Any adventures in the helipad? This is so awesome. A little bit on the windy side, but oh yeah, it's so cool. All right, we're gonna continue doing our stuff. Real grass. This is the Lawn Club. Of course, you can see why they call it the Lawn. Where we went from? The back of the ship. But they definitely do have the art show going.
That's trippy.
That is trippy. I wonder what it looks like on the camera. That's so cool.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, what you're looking at looks so cool on the camera, but when you look at it in person, it's very
It's
trippy.
really weird, yeah.
It's like you can move the other ways and see a different thing.
Look at that. Yeah, it's actually, look at the camera.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's so awesome. I wonder if it does it with this one too. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Kate Spade. How you guys doing? Doing great, doing great. Oh yeah. They let a little jewelry, so we come down here and check them out later. We may. I feel a little cute today. I'm gonna check them out. So right here we have sushi on 5. I want you to guess what deck we're on. Look, my cat, my kitty cat. Alright, so we are actually downstairs on the deck 4. Hopefully I'll be able to separate the music from the voice. Copyright! This is so cool. It's like a small little, it's a bar, of course. It's a martini bar. But it's just the atmosphere you have with the curtains. It just makes it so private, even though it's like right smack dab in the middle of the ship. They have done a great job with this ship. And now we're going to go see how fast we're going. Hey, look at that. We caught up with the...
Yeah.
Larry. Oh, we're going fast. We're going to make it to Key West in
An hour.
in like 10 minutes.
It looks like a nice bar with all the vodka.
I think it is a nice bar. Oh, that is a nice bar. Oh, this is so cool. This is real ice. I'm not a drinker, but... You guys were wondering what the casino looks like. Here we go. So what I like about this ship is it looks like the casino is actually right smack dab in the middle of the ship. And it's pretty open. So there's like a lot of space for a lot of things. social bar. On deck 3, of course. Elevators are great, but this is where the little main stage is. Middle. So we never do a bathroom. I've never seen anybody really do a bathroom, but this is pretty much what the Celebrity Silhouette restroom looks like. Pretty spacious as well. Eating at today, Tuscan Grill. It's a beautiful view. You can see right there That's what I'm looking at. That's what's in front of me right now. I just can't tell you how awesome this is. Ashley's taking a little bit of a nap. We've had a pretty long day. It's our last day on the cruise. But please stay tuned for a lot more of the TNE adventure. And we thank you all for your support. Catch you later.
YouTube thinks you will like this video right here. So do what it says. Click here for more.